Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive. Today, we're shedding light on the word fallible. It's a term that we often hear but might not fully understand. Let's dive into its meaning, definition, and synonyms. First, what does fallible mean? In English, fallible refers to the potential for making mistakes or being wrong. It's an adjective that reminds us of our human imperfections. According to the dictionary, fallible is defined as capable of making mistakes or being erroneous. It's a humble word that acknowledges our susceptibility to error. Now, let's explore some synonyms for fallible. Words like imperfect, errant, faulty, and flawed all convey similar meanings. Each synonym provides a unique angle on the concept of human error and imperfection. For instance, you might say, even the most experienced professionals are fallible, or our memories are fallible and can sometimes deceive us. By using synonyms like imperfect or errant, you can add variety to your language. That's a wrap on our exploration of fallible. Remember, acknowledging our fallibility is a step towards growth and learning. Stay tuned to Thesaurus Thrive for more enriching word explorations.